Hey guys, Wayne here from H2 Tech Videos. Today I'm going to be doing a spec comparison between the Samsung Galaxy J7 Star and the LG Stylo 4. We're going to put them side by side and see which one has the better specs. Now starting out, we always start with software. And they both do have Oreo, however the Stylo 4 does have Oreo 8.1 out of the box, so it does take it for the software category. In terms of screen, the Stylo 4 will also take it. 6.2 inch FHD display versus only a 5.5 inch display on the J7 Star. Definitely a no-brainer there, bigger screen size. Camera wise, this is where the J7 Star is going to really shine. It does have a 13 megapixel front camera and 13 megapixel or dual pixel rear camera, so you're getting a really awesome camera in this. Stylo 4, 5 megapixel front, 13 on the rear. Good, but not as good. So there is that. Internal memory wise, this is interesting. So both these phones advertise 32 gigs of internal storage. However, in today's technology era, memory is not always created equal when it comes to smartphones, because every smartphone does come preloaded with the operating system, as well as stock apps from the manufacturer and stock apps from the carrier. So basically, if you see right here, although it says it has 32 gigs, it really only has 22.8 gigs once you subtract all of the software that is put on before you even open the box. Now the Stylo 4 has even less, unfortunately, at 20.9 gigs. So what you're seeing here is basically a 2 gig difference. If you get the J7 Star, you're going to basically get 23 gigs out of the box available for you. And on the Stylo 4, you would get 21 gigs. So this is important to note depending on what phone you have, depending on what your expectation is. It's good to know, especially if storage is important to you. I'm getting a little bit less if I get that Stylo 4, just saying. Battery wise, they both have a 3300 milliamp battery. However, Stylo 4 battery is not removable, but the J7 Star battery is removable. So if you're the type that likes to carry an extra battery, that might be a bonus and it might kick you over to the J7 Star. Processor wise, you're getting a slightly faster processor with the Stylo 4 at 1.8 gigahertz octa-core versus 1.6. In terms of RAM, you're getting 2 gigs on both. And then extras, this one is sort of a no-brainer. I sort of padded the extras on the J7 Star, but the reality is the Stylo 4 just has a lot more bang for your buck. You're getting the stylus pen, you've got a fingerprint scanner, facial recognition, and you've got fast charging. On the J7 Star, you've got the ultra power saving mode, which will stretch your battery. If it's low, you get the 13 megapixel front camera, which is awesome for selfies. And you get the Bixby Vision, which is a camera feature that allows you to scan things and see where you can buy it. And it also gives you a lot of other fun facts. It's also the Bixby voice assistant. So there is some cool stuff there. I do feel like the Stylo 4 has more practical things, again, like stylus pen, fast charging, and the fingerprint scanner. So, but again, that's only my opinion, and the point of these videos is to present the facts and give you guys an opportunity to decide, is it worth the upgrade for you? Is it worth the switch, or should I stick with my current phone? So hope we did a good job of that. Do me a favor, in the comment section down below, let me know which one you would pick of the two. Love to hear your thoughts. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, favorite, and share the video if you did find it helpful. Hit that subscribe button and make sure you also follow us on Instagram at H2 Tech Videos for monthly giveaways and a bunch of other cool stuff. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care and have a good one.